Okay, this is our place value test, and I'm going to go through each question. Please make sure that even if you got the answer right, you write down the correct answer and what I write down. Number 1 says the city of Dallas, Texas had 1 38/100 inches of rain during the month of January. So I'm going to underline this because this is important. What is the value of the digit in the tenths place? Also going to underline that. All right, so first, this is in word form, so we need to write it in standard form. 1 38/100. Then it says, what is the value of the digit in the tenths place? Well, this is the tenths place, so what's the value? Well, it would be 3/10. So you should have typed in 0.3. If you typed in 0.8 or 0.8, it was wrong. This says the weight of the giraffes at the Fort Worth Zoo are listed at the table below. Complete the statement to correctly order the weight of the 4 giraffes from least to greatest. So least means smallest. All right, so that's going to be 1,614 first, then 1,980 second, then 2,294, then 2,308. Okay, number 3. The table below shows the population of 5 cities in Texas, 5 Texas cities in 2002. Which of these cities has the second largest population? So not the largest, the second largest. So let's find the largest. So that would be Fort Worth. Okay, and then we've got all the rest of these have 2s in the 100,000s place except this one. So this is going to be the second largest. So the answer should have been Arlington. Okay. Oh, number 4. Dax wrote the following number in standard form: 8,340,219. Choose the correct answers from the drop-down menus to show how to record the number in expanded notation. So the 8 is in the 100,000s place. 8 is in the millions place. Can't talk today. So you were choosing between 8 million or 800,000. And so we should have chose 8 million plus 300,000 plus either 4,000 or 40,000. So is that 4 in the thousands place or the 10,000s place? Well, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So it's going to be 40,000 plus 200 plus 10 plus 9. Okay, let's turn the page. Number 5. It says the weights of 4 hippos at a zoo were listed. W, X, Y, and Z. If the hippos are listed in order from least to greatest, so smallest is first, which hippo would come third in the list? Okay, so let's look. They all have a 3 in the thousands place. Then we have 8, 6, 6, 8. So it's going to be, the largest is going to be between hippo W and Z. So then we have 9 and 0, so 9 is going to come first. So this one's the largest. Oh wait, it wants smallest first. I'm sorry. Okay, so start over. So smallest, if we were putting them in order from smallest, all have 3s, so we know it's not those 2, so then we go to the 6s. Now what's the smallest, 4 or 9? 4, so this is going to be the smallest. Then this is going to be the second smallest, and then the largest is going to be this one, so then Z is going to be third, and that's going to be fourth. So which one says hippo Z? That would be D, because 3,648 is less than 3,699 is less than 3,806 is less than 3,894. So the answer is D. Number 6. Consider the following numbers: 764,557,319 and 28 hundredths. Which of the following best describes the relationship between the digit in the 10,000s place and the 100,000s place? Okay, so here's the 10,000, this 5, and then here's the 100,000, this other 5. So it's saying the 10,000s place first. So it's asking, is the 100,000s place, let's think, is it larger or smaller? Well, the 100,000s is larger. So the 10,000s is going to be less, and the 100,000s place is going to be more. Okay, so let's see which one of these tells us that. The value of the digit in the 100,000s place is 10 times the value of the digit in the 10,000s place. Yes, because this is saying the 100,000s place is 10 times greater. Okay, but let's read all of them. Put a little dot beside that. The value of the digit in the 10,000s place is 10 times the value of the digit in the 100,000s place. Well, no, because we know that the 100,000s place is larger. The value of the digit in the 10,000s place is 100 times the value of the digit in the 100,000s place. Well, no, because the 10,000s place is smaller. Then D says the value of the digit in the 100,000s place is 100 times the value of the digit in the 10,000s place. No, it's not 100 times because it's just one jump, right? So it was only 10 times bigger. So the answer is A. So I think what was confusing about this question is that in the question it said 10,000s place first, and then in the answer choices it said 100,000s place first. I think that's what threw some of y'all. The correct answer is A. Number 7, Dale bought a new soccer ball for $18.07. How is this amount written in number form? So we've got $18, okay, so that's 110, 8 ones, and decimal point, 7 cents or 7 hundredths. So then our answer is going to be B. What do y'all chose A? 18. Pay really close attention to your words. Number 8. The table below shows the 3-point field goals made by 3 basketball players during the 2001 NCAA basketball season. And you can see the person's name and their average goals per game. How would Tevis Stuckey's average number of goals be written in words? So let's find Tevis. He's right here. So that's 3 and 45 hundredths. All right, so A is 3 and 45 tenths, so no. B is 3 and 45 hundredths. Okay, yes, let's just check all of them. 3 and 45 thousandths, no. 34 and 5 tenths, no. So our answer is definitely B. A lot of y'all chose A. This is hundredths. Number 9, in 2008, the total number of cell phone users in Indonesia was about 140,578,000. Which expression has the same value as 140,578,000? All right, so we've got 100 million, So let's see. This is 100 million. This is 100 million. This is 10 million, so I can get rid of it. This is 100 million. Okay, then I've got 40 million. So 40 million, 40 million, and 40 million. Then nothing in the 1 million's place. So then let's move to 500,000. All right, so this is 5 million, not 500,000, so I can get rid of that. So 500,000, and then D is 500, so not D. So let's check all the way. So 500,000, then 70,000. Yes, it's in the 10,000s place, and then 8 is in the thousands place. So our answer is for sure B. All right, let's look at number 10. The model below is shaded to represent a decimal. How is this decimal written in words? Now remember, I told you that all of these were all the way full. So that's like having one hole. So then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 6 holes. And then there's 10, 20, 30 of these. And that's hundredths. So 6 and 30 hundredths is A. Okay, a lot of y'all chose D. That says 6 and 3 hundredths. This is 30. If I counted each individual square, there would be 30 of them. Number 11, Rita bought 3 48/100 pounds of bananas at the store. How is this number written in expanded notation? Let's write it in standard form. 3 48/100. So 3's in the ones place, so I need a 3 times 1. So I can get rid of B and D. Then 4's in the 10ths place, so I need 4 times 1/10. This is 4 times 100. Get rid of that. And then 8 times 100. So my answer is for sure A. All right, let's turn to the last page on the very back. Number 12 says the number of movie tickets sold at a theater last year can be written in expanded notation as 8 times 100,000 plus 6 times 1,000. What is the number in standard form? So 800,000, nothing in the 10,000s, 6 in the 1,000s, and then nothing else. So everything else is 0. So we're at 806,000. So that would be C. 13. In which of these does the digit 2 have a value of 2 times 1/10? Select 2 answers. So that was important that we picked 2. All right, 2 times 1/10. So if I was writing this in standard form, then that would be 2/10, right? So I've got to find a number that has 2/10. Or actually, I've got to find 2 numbers that has a 2 in the 10ths place. 1 and 200ths. No, it's not A. 41 and 2/10. Yes, that's an answer. 2 and 1/10. No, because I gotta have 2/10. 2. No, I gotta have 2/10. 10 and 26/100. Yes, that 2 is in the 10ths place. So my answer should have been B and E. All right, number 14. The list shows 3 clues about a number. The digit 8 has a value of 8 times 100th. The digit 5 has a value of 5 times 10, and the digit 3 has a value of 3 times 1,000. So we know we have 3,000 something, 5 something, and something, 8. Okay, so we gotta have a 3 in the thousands place. So yes, 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 no. Then we have to have a 5 in the tens place. So yes, no, yes. And an 8 in the 100ths place. No, yes. This 8's in the 10ths place. So the answer should have been C. Number 15, Yolanda wrote a number. The digit in the millions place is an 8. Okay, 8 million. The digit in the thousands place is a 6. So don't know this, don't know this. Then we have a 6. The digit in the hundredths, TH, place is a 2. So we don't know hundreds. Sorry, guys. We don't know hundreds, tens, or ones, or tenths, but we know this is going to be, a 2. Okay, so 8 million. This is 85 million, so no. 8 million, okay, 6,000. Oh, but that 2's in the 10ths place, so nope. 8 million, 6,000, 2's in the 10ths place. Okay, let's check this one. 8, oh, that 6 is in the wrong place, and the 2's in the wrong place, so it can't be D, it has to be C. All right, make sure you have written down everything I have written down, and make sure that when you turn it in, if you do not write down all the correct answers, you're not gonna get full credit and get your 70. So take your time, go back and look at any ones that you missed, and if you don't understand something, please ask. Turn the test in to Ms. Hall when you're done.